Hi everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today, in this video, we'll explain how to pin desktop to quick access in Windows and make it easier to access your desktop files anytime. Step 1. Click this PC on the desktop to open this PC. This PC is the main place where you manage folders and drives on your Windows computer. Step 2. Find the desktop folder under the list of folders. The desktop folder stores all the files and shortcuts you see on your main screen. Step 3. Right-click on the desktop folder and select Pin to quick access from the menu. This option adds desktop to the quick access section for faster access. Step 4. Check the left sidebar under quick access to confirm desktop is pinned. Now you can open your desktop folder quickly without searching for it. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more simple and helpful Windows tutorials.